When it comes to your fleet, you can't afford to have blind spots on your vehicles. From injury settlements and rising insurance rates to your vehicle repairs and vehicle downtime, an accident can cost you everything, including your business. With ProVision rear and observation systems, you have the coverage you need to eliminate blind spots and avoid costly accidents. We have the best solution to keep your business running in the fast lane.
Typically, when it comes to backing accidents and blind spots, till there's travesty. Quite frankly, you run into something and it's a tragic accident. A lot of organizations have a tipping point that they say, okay, no more of that. Now backup cameras on the entire fleet. ProVision calls on organizations to be proactive.
In the markets that we serve, uptime is the most important thing. So having good quality systems that can be durable and long-lasting is very, very important. And if price wasn't an object, we'd buy the most expensive system we could buy. So what we're trying to do is bring the quality level of an expensive system to a price point you can afford so you can still have that uptime.
There's a lot of camera companies out there, none with the niche and the array of solutions that ProVision offers. And so you could start with a simple rear vision solution, monitor camera in the back, not really stopping there, and add in a 900 series DVR. And so when an incident does happen, you can go back and actually refute that and get to the truth of the story.
And one of the biggest challenges had always been where to mount the camera. So looking at vehicles, we looked at what places you could put a camera and that already existed, such as the marker light, and figured out a way to mount a camera inside of marker light that wouldn't require an additional hole to be drilled in the back of the vehicle, which is typically some heavy metal plate in commercial vehicles. So we designed a camera to do that.
ProVision is really the only full-service video organization that can install the product, service the product, support the product post-sale, and continue to develop new product that can integrate to the old product.
There's a number of tests that we do from an engineering side of things to ensure the quality of our products. One of the standards that's used is MIL Standard A10G, which is used to certify different products on military vehicles and how they would withstand harsh environments. So that includes the water ingress vibration, includes handling different types of moisture and temperature and humidity. Really that ensures you have a durable product by having that certification behind it.
Today we actually define the industry standard with a 5-year warranty on the majority of our goods and hardware. We also have lifetime warranties on cables and things like SD cards where our competitors fall short. We pride ourselves at ProVision to be the entire complete resource where I can look at every vehicle in your entire fleet and I do have a solution for it to increase safety and reduce liability.